with anyone else but me, till I come marching home. I just got word from the guy next door to me. The guy she met just loves to bed and he beats you to a T. So don't sing under the apple tree with anyone else but me, till I come marching home. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. With anyone else but her. No, 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 not a single soul but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Down till you see me. Down till you see me marching home, 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 sweet home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. With anyone else but her. No, 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 not a single soul but me. No, no, no. Don't you go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Down till you see me. Down till you see me marching home, 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 sweet home. Just wait till I come marching home. Now we'll be able to get some hands clapping out there in the old days. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree. It's the best. Get your kids a room. 66 big 6. 6 in ones from Chicago to LA. Can't help what I almost 2,000 miles away.
Darky at night, Santa Claus is coming. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pound or stand in your lies. Santa Claus is coming.
Have you noticed this, everybody? The mayor's in the limo getting dry while everybody else is getting wet. Say a few words to your public, Danny.
Thank you very much, Barry. Yes, everyone's getting wet, but it is snowing. It is a festive occasion.
That was rubbish. Hello everybody! So I'm Rob Hammond from Links FM. How are you? Is everyone warm enough? I did say on the radio this morning that I would bring the snow with me to Skegness today, and I haven't let you down. Who loves the snow? Who's made a snowman at home already? These two like the snow. Santa loves the snow. He lives with the snow all year round, don't you, Santa? Apart from when he's on his holes in Barbados for a couple of weeks in the summer. So if you've got any snaps of your snowmen at home, make sure you take a picture of them and send them to us at Links FM, and I'll give you a mention in the morning. So you can go to our Facebook page, or you can at Links FM on Twitter if you're on Twitter, or just email me in the morning, robhammond@linksfm.co.uk. We're just getting every... So here we go, Mr. Mayor's now on the stage. We've got Carnival royalty on stage as well. Give the crowd a wave. We gave away £1,000 with our last mystery voice, which was Russell Howard's. Now I can't give you a clue. That's Mr. Mayor. I expect better from you. I can't tell anyone who the mystery voice is, but if you want to play again, I think we're up to about £250 tomorrow morning, just after 8:30. Oh, you lot drew the short straw, didn't you? You're going to get wet. I think it's turning slightly to sleet now, the snow we've had today. And it is going to turn milder at the weekend, so I don't think it's going to last too long.
On Sunday, and the week leading up to Christmas, from the 20th right through to Christmas Eve. And that's the important thing.
Come here. Hello, darling.
Hello, Skegness! Hello! Woo! Are you all excited for the light switch on? Course you are! Oh, you're looking gorgeous out there. Isn't it cold, everyone? No, you're not cold. It's just us southerners. We're not used to being up north. Darlings, you must come and see us. Are you all coming to see us at the Embassy Theatre? Lovely stuff. Well done. Now where is that man of my dreams? Where's that MP Wempy? Where are you, darling?
It's so wonderful to be here in Skegness. Good evening, everybody.
Have you all done your Christmas shopping? No? What do you mean? You've got to get inside and buy some lovely presents for everyone. But listen, have you seen my son Aladdin? No. Oh, let's all shout his name and he might appear. Come on, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Aladdin, where are you? Here he is. Here's my lovely son. Isn't he gorgeous, everyone? Are you going to say something, Aladdin? Cat's got his tongue, everyone. He's not usually this shy. Give them a few words. Apple. Apple, that's not a...
Pizza. Christmas.
Right, that was a lot of help, wasn't it, everyone? I don't know what he was going on about. But listen, there's someone even more gorgeous than me. I know it's hard to believe, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, but there is someone even more gorgeous than me, and it's the Princess Jasmine. Where is she? Come on over! Give her a big cheer, everyone! Yes! Have a lovely few words with the gorgeous audience.
Hello everyone, can I hear a massive scream if you're coming to watch Aladdin?
And tell me, Princess, when is Aladdin on at the Embassy Theatre?
It's on the 15th of December to the 29th of December.
I think she's added a few days, ladies and gentlemen. But she's going to do her one-woman show. Princess Jasmine, well done, darling. Yes, we're on from December the 15th to the 27th. Come and see us, everyone. Yes, it's lots of fun. Now, what's happening now, sweethearts? Oh, is that it? I'm handing you back to the gorgeous Rob.
Give the dame a microphone and you can't get it off her. Come on, get to the back of the stage and behave yourself. All right, Widow Twanky. So we've got the Jolly Fisherman on the stage. Going to introduce you now to the town crier who's going to make a proclamation. He doesn't need a microphone.
to the skegness Christmas lights switch on here at the Hilda Centre.
Woo! Come on.
Come on! And Merry Christmas! God save the Queen!
And then I believe the mayor is going to say a few words. Would you like to come over to the microphone? Come through.
Thank you, Rob. I just like to welcome everybody here, and it's so good to see so many people here. I know the weather's not too kind, but it is great to see the people of Skegness out and supporting the Eldrids and the Christmas lights switch on. Now, I'm not going to bore you like the Dame did, so so I'm going to hand you back over to Rob, because it's his job. There you go, Rob.
So welcome everybody to the Hildreds for the Christmas lights switch on tonight. So like I said, we're going to try and get ourselves on the telly. Let's try and get Skegness on the telly, because on Sunday brunch they do a slot where they play bits from Christmas lights. So we're going to get Steve from the Hildreds. Steve, are we ready? Now the hosts of Sunday brunch are called Tim and Simon. So what we need you to do is we need you to shout, "Cheers Tim, cheers Simon," really loudly behind me, okay? And then Steve from the Hildreds is going to film it, and we'll send it to the show, and then hopefully either this Sunday or next Sunday they will play it out and you can see yourselves on the telly, or at least hear yourselves in the background. So are you going to do Skegness proud by shouting this really loudly? So let's give it a practice. Cheers Tim, cheers Simon. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cheers Tim, cheers Simon. So are we ready then? I'm going to put my back to you though, so I can be on the video. Here we go, here's Steve. So are we ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Cheers Tim! Cheers Simon! Whoa, shall we just do that once more? Because I think you were a bit rubbish and we need you to count down for when the lights go on. And if you're not loud, the lights won't go on, okay? So this is your practice. So here we go. Let's just do it once more, and then Steve can choose the best video of me. So here we go. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Cheers Tim! Cheers Simon! So brilliant. So hopefully we will get that on Sunday brunch in the next couple of weeks. I believe Steve might want to come and say a few words as well. Steve's been busy. Give Steve a cheer, everybody. Steve does a brilliant job with the lights every year. Oh look, we've got some snow as well. He's been spending lots of time on the grotto as well, I've noticed on their Twitter feed. So let's let Steve say a few words.
Thank you very much, Rob. Just want to say to you all, thank you for coming. I know it's been a miserable day. Hopefully you can have a great night tonight. Thank you for coming. Have a great time. Cheers.
Here we go. So we've got Aladdin. I've got the Panto cast. Where's Santa? Let's get Santa in as well. He's... Oh no, he's not. Oh no, he's not. So here we go then. Hi Joseph. We're live in Skegness and we're about to switch on the Christmas lights. Is everyone in Skegness ready? So let's do the countdown then. Let's count down from 10 down to 1 and get the lights on tonight here in Skegness. So are we ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
If anyone else but me, till I come marching home. I just got word from the guy next door to me. The guy she met just loves to bed and he beats you to a T. So don't sing under the apple tree with anyone else but me, till I come marching home. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. With anyone else I've heard. No, not a single soul but me. No. Don't sit under the marching home, 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 sweet home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me.